Ako si Anthony Lubigas. Nagtuturo ako rito sa Parañaque National High School Main. At hinahandle ko ay grade 7 students. 57 lahat sila.
The salaries now of the teachers, when you enter as teacher 1, when you say teacher 1, coming from college, no, with no experience, when you enter the public schools, you're getting already an 18,000 pesos per month. No? There was already a big increase, and I don't think that salaries now of the public school teachers are low. 18,000 is good enough. So what do we do? So every summer, the teachers, for the month of April and May, they undergo trainings, especially for those who are in these grade levels. So they introduce the new curriculum, the new subjects.
Yung seminar na yun, binigay sa'yo para pag-aralan mo kung paano mag-construct ng modules ng mga estudyante for K-12.
We have a total number of 20 million elementary and high school students. And we have 46,000 schools, or less than 550,000 teachers all over from Luzon, Visayas. So when you look at the Department of Education, we are the biggest agency.
Papasok sa school, then dito sa mga estudyante, gagawa ng class record, gagawa ng lesson plan, visual aids, normal task ng isang teacher. And ito na, yung everyday life ko. Tapos uuwi ako ng mga bandang 2 o'clock na ng hapon. Pwedeng sa bahay, trabaho ulit, gagawa ng test papers, quizzes. Una, as a teacher, mahirap yung ikaw lahat yung nagpe-prepare. Walang support ng school, ng equipments, lahat. Teacher lahat, visual aids, class records, lahat magagaling sa bulsa ng teacher. Ang compensation mo na lang doon kapag nakikita mo yung mga bata na talagang masaya, tapos sabay na-appreciate yung tinuturo mo. Isa lang naman yung pangarap ng bawat guro sa kanilang mag-aaral. Unang-una, kailangan, ang talaga namin dito is makatapos sila ng pag-aaral. Actually, sinasabi nga ng DepEd, libreng edukasyon, pero sa totoo lang, wala namang libreng edukasyon. At syempre, nangangarap lang kami na sana pagdating ng araw ay makaano sila, makapagtapos at hindi nila malimutan kung saan sila nanggaling.
Students from private schools, they go to the public schools, teach them the art to draw, paint. The Department of Education is open for all volunteers to help.
Ang dami pang kailangan teachers. Nakikita ko yung pangangailangan ng ating bansa. Kasi lahat naman tayo may karapatan na makapag-aral.